In this video, we'll go through unboxing and operating your GREENWORKS hedge trimmer. We've featured one of our corded models. However, this guide can be followed for all GREENWORKS hedge trimmers with a rear static handle. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with the packing material and any loose, unassembled parts. This unit comes fully assembled. Carefully lift the hedge trimmer out of the box. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have used the product. Keep hands and feet away from the trimmer head. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. Before operating the hedge trimmer, the power source must be connected. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and a charger, please be advised that the batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. On corded models, you'll notice a cord retaining hook in the handle. This is intended to secure the extension cord and prevent it from becoming disconnected while in use. Fold your extension cord to form a tight loop and feed this through the hole on the handle. Slide the loop over the cord retaining hook and pull until the cord is secure. Loosely knot the extension cord and power cord before connecting them. The lockout switch is located on the top of the trigger handle. The trigger is underneath the handle. To start your trimmer, slide the lockout switch backwards and squeeze the trigger. The lockout switch may be released once the hedge trimmer is running. To stop the unit, release the trigger. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your hedge trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS hedge trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.